Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my May Goddess Provisions just arrived, and let's see what we have. Let's go ahead and get in here, cut the tape, open her up, and that is what it looks like when you first open it. Of course, the card's at the very bottom. Let me just keep on digging, get to the bottom. Okay, so now we're on the bottom. That card is really pretty, just nice and floral. That's pretty. The monthly mantra, I am supported and uplifted by my plant allies. And it goes over all of the different products and the pricing. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing right on top, which was in the bottom, is this little card, and it has all these little plants on it. That is actually really cute. This is the Sacred Space Plant Stickers. Plants can magically transform any space into a sacred adobe with their enchanting vitality. Decorate your vision board, journal, and mobile devices with these eco-friendly stickers. Special note, these stickers are made with 100% post-customer paper and are not waterproof. Valued at $5. So that's really cute. I do also scrapbook and stuff like that, so I know these stickers will come in handy somewhere. So I actually really like that. I love getting stickers because I collect them until I find something to do with them. In here, looks like this is a little jar. It says Vibe Bottle, little blue bottle. The sacred vessel is perfect for storing your herbal medicines, vitamins, loose leaf teas, powdered incense, and DIY skincare creations, dishwasher safe. Ooh, so there is that. Look at the little thing on the front, the design. That's really pretty. I like that. I can even put my stones, my crystals. I can use this for anything. This is an anytime, a stash jar, whatever you want to put in here. That is super cute. I love the design. I love the dark cobalt blue. I like that cobalt blue a lot, and it is a glass jar. So that is awesome. And this is valued at $11. So there's item number 2. Now, let's go with what is in here. It says Longevity Tonic. This is a potent herbal medicine, and it says dilute tonic in a glass of water or tea to enhance physical, energetic, and spiritual wellness. You can use code GODDESS, GODDESS 2020 to save 33% off at PARAGON-ELIXIRS.com. So there's that. We have item number 3. There's a lot of items this month, you guys. This one right here says Homesteader Essential Oil Serum, Spiritual Release, Enlighten. And this guy here is valued at $10. It says Hippie Homesteader Enlighten Serum. Alchemy occurs when a power or process transforms something into a mysterious way. Experience the magic with this bergamot, Palo Santo, and frankincense essential blend as it lifts your mind, body, and spirit. Use coupon HIPPIE, HIPPIE 20 to save 20% off at thehippiehomesteader.com. Let's see. It definitely, I definitely get that frankincense smell. I'm not a huge fan of frankincense, but I'm smelling it. So there's that item. All right, you guys. So now we have is a ginger vitamin C fresh pressed sheet mask, which that sounds amazing. I love me some sheet masks. This right here is valued at $3.50, and you can use code GODDESS15 to save 15% off at sweetchefskincare.com. Yes, so there's a sheet mask. Now we have New Moon Tea Elderberry Tonic. Ooh, that sounds nice. And this right here is valued at $12. You can use coupon GODDESS15 to save 15% off at newmoonteaco.ca. It says Brew up this DIY immunity potion that features an all-star lineup of elderberry, cloves, ginger, and cinnamon for a daily dose of antioxidants and immune-building nutrients. Sounds even better. Let's get this open and take a look at it. Ooh, okay, so it's really powdery, and then it has some chunks of stuff in there as well. So that's what that tea looks like, and you can use this daily, drink it daily. It kind of smells good. It smells very intriguing. I smell the cinnamon, I smell the cloves. I love when you can pick up all the scents that are in there and you know really what's in there. Okay, so one other item is a Glow Moisture Cream. Holy moly, there's a lot of stuff. Sea buckthorn, and raspberry. Luscious berry blend. There's the box. This right here is valued at $28. It says the face cream is formulated with the unique combination of plant oils and extracts, including sea buckthorn and raspberry, to transform your skin with deeply nourished hydration. You can use coupon code LADY25 to save 25% off at Z as in zebra, ATIK natural.com. So let's see what this looks like. And then there's one item left. And that's a nice little glass jar too. That's nice. Let's take a whiff of this. It smells something better than that frankincense maybe. Ooh, that does smell a lot better. That does smell a lot better. Ooh, I can't wait to try that on my face. That feels nice too. So there's that. Now the last item is in here, and we always get one type of crystal every month. So that's what this is going to be. Ooh, it's a nice little sized chunk of whatever that is, and that's pretty. So this is a raw emerald in biotite, B-I-O-T-I-T-E, I don't want to know, but this is a raw emerald. How pretty. Now this is valued at $8. It says, with this lush green color, emerald connects us to the process of renewal and growth. Meditate with this stone to enhance balance and harmony while remaining rooted with the earth element. That is so cool. Now there also is a digital download. It says Plant Alchemy plus Divination. Discover how to connect with the divine wisdom of nature spirits and deepen your personal journey with daily rituals and plant divination from Sol and Serene. It's a $18 value, and it gives you the information to download. So that's another thing added to the value. So everything all combined, if I add up everything with the digital download and all of the items that we got, the total retail value will be right here for this month's box. And I'm really actually pleased with this. We got a lot of items, more than normal, which is not bad. It's good. It's just I'm a little surprised. So we have this crystal. We have this moisturizing cream. We have a tea. We have an oil. We have a roll-on essential oil. We have just a nice little bottle you can use for whatever. You have a sheet face mask and a set of stickers. That is everything, you guys. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? What did you think of the items that we received in here? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Give me all the details down below, you guys. It means the world, and I greatly appreciate your positivity. And yeah, I love that you're here. So if you want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, I do have them linked down below. You get 5 to 7 full-size products in every box. The value is typically $80 to $100 of goodies. You get free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. You just pay for shipping. Canadian is $15 and international is $25. The box is $33 per month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go to a full 12-month prepaid subscription. They're always vegan and cruelty-free, which is another good aspect about this box. Everything in their boxes are always vegan and cruelty-free. And you can pause or cancel your box at any time. And you get anything from crystals to aromatherapy to beauty, spiritual growth tools, superfoods, snacks, teas. All of that good stuff is what you would find in this box. So again, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.